Python list extend method. In this video, we will learn about extend method of list object, its syntax and examples. Extend method adds all items in given argument iterable to the end of the list. The syntax of extend method is list.extend other, where other is an iterable whose elements we would like to add to the end of the list. Consider a list. When we call extend method on this list and pass other iterable as argument, the extend method adds all the items in the given iterable to the end of the list. For example, take a list of strings with fruit names. Fruits equal to apple, banana, cherry. Consider that we have to add another list, more fruits, to the end of the fruits list. Call extend method on fruits list and pass more fruits as argument. The extend method adds all the elements in more fruits to the end of the fruits list. Print the fruits list to output. The items in given iterable have been added to the end of list. Another example. Take a list of integers with even numbers. Evens equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Consider that we have to add more even numbers 12, 14 and 16 to the end of the evens list. Call extend method on evens list and pass more evens as argument. The extend method adds all the numbers in the more evens list to the end of the evens list. Print the evens list to the output. The items in given iterable have been added to the end of the original list. Thank you for watching the video. If you like our content, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.